Craving something rich, gooey, and chocolatey but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? And ready in just minutes. Let's whip it up together. In a large microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, making it the base of our cake, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It brings that deep chocolate flavor, and 3 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten and balance the richness. Now add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix to blend all the dry ingredients together. This helps the baking powder spread evenly so your cake rises perfectly. Pour in 3 tablespoons of milk to bring everything together and keep the cake moist. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil, which makes it extra soft and tender even after microwaving. Finally, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a warm aromatic flavor. Mix it all really well until the batter turns smooth and creamy. Drop a single square of chocolate right into the center of the batter and gently cover it with the mixture. As it cooks, that square will melt down into a gooey molten lava core. Microwave your mug on high for about 60 to 90 seconds, depending on your microwave. While the cake rests for a minute, let's make our quick frosting. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Mix in 1 teaspoon of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of milk, then stir until smooth. If needed, add another splash of milk to adjust the consistency until it's thick but pourable. Spread or drizzle this rich chocolate frosting over your warm cake, and if you like, top with sprinkles, nuts, or even a scoop of ice cream. And there you have it, the perfect dessert for when chocolate cravings strike. Don't forget to try it and let me know how you topped yours. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats.